In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Nintendo Switch factory settings. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shut down the Nintendo Switch. So, right here we have a power button and we're gonna hold it. And we're still holding it, guys. We're still holding it. Boom. Then, right here we have a power button, a minus and a plus. And what we're going to do is we're gonna hold those three buttons at the same time. We still hold it, we see Nintendo, and we still hold it, we see the second picture, Nintendo Switch, and then we get this system, so this screen. So here we can update the system, here we can restore the factory settings, but you won't delete, you will save your data, and this is the option where you can restore the factory settings of your whole device, guys. So if we're gonna click on this, we click on continue. This is how you factory reset your Nintendo Switch.